paper, then fold it, then unfold it, then do the same thing, and then turn it over, and then take the tip and then put it on the bottom. Then take that corner and then put your finger and then measure it. Then do the same thing on the other side. Then take the triangles that look like this and then turn them over. Then do the same thing on the other side. Then do triangles on the bottom. Then you're going to take those corners from the ear and then flip it. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Then now you see you're going to have to draw the face. So first 2 circles for the eyes, then make a triangle for the nose, then 2 W shapes, then little circles for little nice dots.
I don't know why he has 5 cleavers. I already asked him to not.
And then there you have it.